Hey guys, what's going on? Joe Mills here for you. I am in downtown Lynchburg, Virginia, mulching with RSG. There's our truck in the background. That's also our truck in the background. When you're actually mulching in a downtown like this, different rules apply. For example, this is a one-way street, so kind of have to place vehicles strategically. Like that's the truck that's carrying all the mulch. And one of our other guys showed up. He was doing a job on his own, so now he's helping us. Just mulch we're using. I believe it's double shredded hardwood. Doesn't have any dye in it. It's just natural. I think that's the best type of mulch, personally. But it's all about what the customer wants, so we do what the customer wants. But yeah, guys, our basic process to doing this, all the beds have been prepped. So right now we're just going through and we're putting all the mulch on. But we use pitchforks pretty exclusively. Pitchforks, I think, are the best for not only just loading mulch, but also spreading mulch. And then we go along with these hard rakes right here, and we tamp down the sides. And it has this little edge on the back end of the rake. So what we'll do, go along here for an example, I'll take the rake and I'll put it down right here on the edge and basically tamp it in like that. And that creates an edge, and the mulch is less likely to wash out. It's a little bit harder on these beds here to create a more natural edge, so we usually go with the stamp down edge anyway. Like I said, guys, working downtown, whole different game than if you're working on someone's house or on a commercial property. You got a lot more traffic and pedestrian problems to deal with, a lot more safety concerns, but overall it's still pretty fun. Working with some of the landscape crews, and I gotta tell you guys, as usual, the guys are all great. They're all really understanding, and I think probably the coolest thing is that they've already, started talking to me, and I told them about how I have a YouTube channel and how I film and do this kind of stuff, and they think it's really cool, and they're watching my videos right now on their lunch break. So that's actually pretty cool. Alright, so Yancy, how do you spread mulch in a bed like this with a lot of Liriope?
Well, basically what we do, you just kind of scoop it off the wheelbarrow, dump it in there, and, you come back later and just brush it, flatten it down. And like I said, if there's any mulch on top of the plant, then you trust your pitchfork and just kind of shake the mulch out, from the plant so it don't burn it.
Yeah. How long you been doing this?
Like maybe 8 years.
Yeah, see guys, 8 years. Yeah. This is what a professional looks like.
Oh, con los cuernos. Te va a hacer rico. Que nos la vuelco temprano.
Arnolfo,
¿Qué pasó, amigo?
how long you been doing this? How long you been landscaping?
12 años.
12 años?
Sí,
12 years.
sí.
Wow. Juan Carlos, what about you?
No, ese es Magdaleno.
What?
Magdaleno.
Magdaleno? Oh, sorry. Sorry, I said the wrong name.
Novio de todos modos.
Es Magdaleno.
My brother's girlfriend.
Yeah. I told you this morning, right?
Okay, Leno. How long you been landscaping?
Yo que métale que estamos la-
17 años.
17?
Yeah.
16 years?
Yeah.
Dang.
Aquí también. Ahora pregúntale cuántos años tiene de
Oh
pito.
guys, as you can see there, they love messing with me, but as you saw, I mean, 8 years, 12 years, and 16 years they've been doing this, so they've perfected the perfect method to get all this stuff done, and I'm really blessed to have the opportunity to work with these guys, true professionals who've been doing it for so long. But yeah, they love messing with me. I haven't decided if I'm going to include that in the edit, so we'll see, but